Let us discuss badminton. Badminton is a popular racket sport played either in singles, one player per side, or doubles, two players per side. The game involves players using a shuttlecock, a feathered or synthetic projectile, to hit it back and forth over a net. The objective is to score points by landing the shuttlecock in the opponent's side of the court. Equipment used in playing badminton. First is the shuttlecock, or also known as shuttle or birdie. These are the parts of the shuttlecock. We have the feather and the cork head. Next is the badminton racket. These are the parts of the badminton racket. We have the head, string area, throat, shaft, and handle. Next is the badminton court. Badminton net and post. Different kind of serve. We have long serve or high serve, or short serve or low serve. Types of grips in badminton. We have forehand grip and backhand grip. Footwork. Stance. We have different kind of strokes. We have clear, smash, drive, and net drop.